Success doesn't just happen. It starts in your mind. Your subconscious beliefs shape your reality, guiding your thoughts, decisions, and actions. If you're ready to unlock your potential, it's time to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. In this video, we'll show you how. Your subconscious mind is the powerful, hidden part of your brain that operates beneath the surface. It stores your beliefs, habits, and emotional responses. Think of it as the autopilot guiding your daily life. But here's the key. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between positive and negative beliefs. It acts on whatever programming it receives. Your subconscious beliefs shape how you see yourself and the world. If it's programmed with thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "success isn't for me," it will limit your potential. But when you reprogram your subconscious with empowering beliefs, you create a mindset that attracts success and opportunities. The first step to reprogramming your subconscious mind is identifying the beliefs that are holding you back. These are often thoughts like, "I'm not smart enough," or "I always fail." Take a moment to write down the limiting beliefs that come to mind. Once you've identified them, ask yourself, are these beliefs absolutely true? Challenge them. Realize that these thoughts are often based on past experiences, not your current reality. Next, replace those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For example, change "I'm not good enough" to "I am capable and deserving of success." Use affirmations daily to reinforce these new beliefs. Consistency is key. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your subconscious begins to accept them as truth. Visualization is a powerful tool for reprogramming your subconscious. Take a few minutes each day to vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals. See it, feel it, and believe it. This helps your subconscious align with the reality you want to create. The clearer your vision, the more your subconscious mind will work to bring it to life. Meditation allows you to quiet your conscious mind and access your subconscious. During meditation, repeat your affirmations or visualize your success. This relaxed state makes your subconscious more receptive to new programming. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. The more consistent you are, the more impactful it will be. Reprogramming your subconscious isn't just about thoughts, it's about action. Take small, consistent steps toward your goals. These actions reinforce your new beliefs and show your subconscious that success is achievable. Even small wins build momentum, creating a feedback loop that strengthens your new programming. Gratitude is a powerful way to raise your vibration and reinforce positive beliefs. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This trains your subconscious to focus on abundance and possibilities. The more grateful you are, the more your subconscious aligns with the energy of success. Reprogramming your subconscious mind takes time and consistency. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, your thoughts and beliefs are powerful tools. Use them wisely. Your subconscious mind is the key to unlocking your potential. By reprogramming it with empowering beliefs, visualization, and action, you can create a life filled with success and abundance. Ready to start your journey? Subscribe to our channel for more tips on mindset, manifestation, and creating a life you love. And click the link below this video for more help with reprogramming your subconscious mind.